Ibitu ativesto murunzi twakutanjera usibire kurunji eshaha zaba ibiri z'ekiro n'eshaha ey'amakuru gitagacencwire Elias Rutugusa hamwe na mutayi wanje Sande Brian no rumo rw'obonero nitutwijaga kusyaho ahabwe kireki konka watakaferwa nabwe gacencwire ekireki twino ko bakuru bebyo kwerinda omucange cya Rwenzori bariyo no baronda uko barije kumaraho entaro z'amataka tujana no kusyaho amakuru tkoreke uko abarjiro mu ihanga area South Africa abarkwiko mu rushanju government etandikire kubahandika arho nabandi abarukurenga abantu obubokize na acid district ya Rubirizi kandi nawe arumo nashaba obuyambi ari omumberambi amakuru agacencwire reka tugatandikireho ombwijwire amakuru agacencwire reka tugatandikireho ombwijwire tkoreke ko bakuru bebyo kwerinda okurwa omucange cya Rwenzori no kusya hati bariyo no baronda omubazi ubwo kumara hentaro zitaka eryo mushweka ganye nayo omu district ya Chenjejo ezamara emyaka erikurenga muri 10 okumara hati emyaka 20 Vincent Mugishana n'abaturo mushwekeki baturo mu ntaro zitaka kandi abantu binje bakitwa na nabando bahutazibwa otireho ibintu na namatungo kushishwa mu rukiko abatura bagambira ku Vincent yizire kubashanga amataka gabo ati akatandika kubaharahaza okushisha misiri yabo otireho na no kubakoma batine mishango
mugisa kujya mu mugisa akasangamo abantu bakuliremo bazalirwemo kandi bakuliremo gahita umugiso byahakira muntu akaita n'abantu abakwingana 10 bibiri byatahiraga buri kaya muntu nibateme bitoke nibateme umwani nibateme buri kintu cyone nibateme bitu byona nabasahansi
abantu bayizire mbatera tero urwigi abantu abakozi ba mugisa ekiro 8 n'abasukali Nubayiza munzu omusajja bamuhambo mutwara no mbulira kinzozo ekire kini mbagaruka mbayiza abana abo n'abakazi mbatutari boko
gamba ntukole tuti ntulinda nyenje oburukucya nibatega mu muhanda nyenje oburukucya mugisa nayongera kuleta abantu abashiyaka abataka abatandikire kubuze kisani cyabali ababayireho omuntu kumutega mu muhanda no bwaraba ngo uyo mutereho fayiro ya madda okagenda okakwata omukazi woli munju okasamba orwigi okahamwa omukazi n'omwana w'emyaka 12 RPC abapolisi tebarukorora
Vincent Mugisha hamwe na n'umukazi we Miriam Kesima nabo bamanyisa bakuru ngo byone biri kugambwa n'ibishuba ngo abatura nubo baturana babaharahaza otireho na no kushisha ibintu byabo
those are ziri concocted to fit the situation kantandika n'ubandi zabo obo wakihura likaberemerera hari cyari gonza emera abera inkari hano owe hari enyuma kuri obu yabeera aliyo yali abantu bajya mu nali abantu
mushango gwa
ngaranterera abantu baitu mugumisirize mulindo obusinge mugumise mulindo obusinge otupa tugenda nyencha no jakura abantu bana batano bakwasirwa bali mu nkomo
hatu njoganye nawe kubaha ikizibu obuzibu nubwijja alinyo dipuringa ganye nayo bere urutaru wa ADF ganye nayo bere Somalia etakwaya al-Shabab ekizibu kirinka abantu bakwikara hamwe omukicweka kimwe sanga ni leta diplomacy za mahi gana mataka obakubaha ekizibu no mucheza mutayikaire no muitani.
As long as one is a Ugandan, you must be protected. There must be sanity. Titukasta meeting yeji nyecha kale kandi batemondi jo kurugumi. We cannot. We shall be useless because we want to move. We want to unaddress. We want to walk open clear.
Itake rukugambwaho nerengo muri hika bishatu nkaga kanda habibyo kwirinda noho bashabire ngo buri umuntu wena orukugira ngo ayine hecebanja leta bihandiko bye obutarenga wiki ibiri kandi abantu 20 nubo babire barugire yo kureta indagano zabo
omurukwato twakya twamanyisibwa ntinga loko aba private guards abaheribo obutinisa mugisha kulinde kaye kyoka hati bakubasanga omisiri nkondo babakwatira nibyo kulya byanye tubitwara nebindi yego obundi mukubasobola kiki aleso olutwato luno kubaho kugamba nti muleka tugaruke tukoleki tugaruke ganye nayo ka regional security committee
ebicwirwemo no kureba ngo emishango y'umugishatura nayugura abantu yayongerwa kurebwamo abakume bamugisha okurinda wona n'ebintu bye ebitaro muvuyo yitaka embajuzo no kurete bahandiko ebirukwata hitaka no kutaho desk mu office ya diso okureba mu bahandiko byabo abine ebanja hitakeri.
Resolution number 1 yechamo yokubanza all of those cases that have been raised as having been concocted. Ngwemsange giyone nyakwimukibwe netekereza okubegingiriro. Someone mentioned the number of 52. Omuntu omwe arabiza ogumhendo gwemhisanga 5
A complaint should be made to the DPP
ngo habeho okushema mu ofisi ya omutonganezi mukuru wa government DPP
so that these files are recalled and reviewed.
Nuko emsange nundi cases emsange nu akwa files ni emsango batongerezetwe kuongera kwerukururwamo
ababona bamara emyaka eri kurenga muri 10 barukozo mu koti amakuru agagasha kwa Daniel Bingana kare webare Daniel Bingana twagumizamu n'amakuru haruho obayutsize na asidi omu district ya Rubirizi kandi ariyo naraganzire koma abekaye nibashaba abanyambabazi okubakwatiraho kare embozejo
Adrina Nkunda ow'emyaka 16 y'obukuru n'enzarwa ya Kanyambiriri ya kabiri Kashenyi Rutoto erikushangwa mu district ya Rubirizi bwanyuma y'okweza ekibiina kya mushanju omwaka oguhwire omweshicogwa habwo butebasa bw'abaziire be akatwarwa munywani weka yabo omuri kigando kakanju omu district ya Bushenyi kubasa kumukwatiraho kugumana ashoma kandi obwa hati abire yahika omusiniya y'okubanza ahari Katunga Secondary School aho abina z'abatakamanyirwe bamukwasire bakamwosya na asidi
kundi kubandi nawe amishoge tigakwenda garebye naheru takushohora eniziganira gara takwenda ngo gategwemo umuyaga kandi embone ahabo kugira ngo tizine kiri kuzikwata embone nenyama zonga enyindo niragari bifuzi bulinda niragari mira bulida chika kandi neminu teine kigikwasire amino gariya heru nigumanira garika ibifuzi kandi oyongera shasha no mumaraka aharwa mu kifuba hakirimu nebironda
obwa hato mwana ogu embere yarumune yerarikiriza kandi abaziire be batugambira okubara kuteganisibwa
nyonko muntu ekinte kindi kureba aha mwana wo mwishogo ninshaba abanyambabazi mwije twatanise tugaruzeho turebe ko twakwasa kugaruzaho amagara ge tukagaruzaho ibicweka byeye nangwana no kushoma kwe abo kuba we yanagamba niwe nagamba niwe yahise ubwiro reba yarira agira ati kona ndagaruka nanyenzo mu kirasi nshome
ubwiro namara ndikushohoze ziseti zahirwa roku ngurizo bwanje bwena bwawaho tinchini bwekuru kandi mbwenu amazima gijuro ko mwana wanje nkabere nshimira kuba ncyayenda aze kwega ubweko rutimbwine
kwihebera 28 by'okwezi kwa kanako mwaka ogu obwo mwana ogu ahutaza ubwenta kimazire n'ekikorwa cyo bwinazi tikikamanywaga ekibamutuzire kandi abazirebe nibagira ngo bosere nibaraguza ahirwa rya Kampala International University omurishaka bito bwa hati bakine na rwigana nuko kushaba abanyambabazi kurugayo bakabakwateraho omukuraguzo mwana ogu ngo bunda kabaje
ukubanza tukashashura miliyoni emwe n'imitwaro 55 bija banshaba okugarukayo nagarukayo nasitamayo emyezi ebiri nashashura miliyoni emwe n'imitwaro 53 kwene hindi kugambira twiremo kine kintu cyona cyakora n'ibyo kubesho kuteka amahega tikiriho tinkine musiriti tinkine ki
kandi takabire abo kuba ahamisho hacari kubi iminwa yaza kuryana yashami amisho yagira ngo yaza kubyama n'icyo kubekiro ntaguma nareba abwe mbone kucweka mwero kandi ati nibenda kushuba bakatujya ngo tugarukeyo KIU koko bweko rutimbwine
nko kwengari ibiri zobako nabisana abantu bashaba wena wakubasa kubahwera omukugumizamo no kuragurira omwana ogu obuhwezi no basa kuburabya ahanamba eya not mushanjo not 2 9 nshanjo na 8 not 8 ninge ya not mushanjo 8 mukaga not 2 not 8 12 eziryo mu mazina ga Prudence ninsima amakuru gasha kwa Onesimus Ndianabo
webare Onesimus Ndianabo ahabwa amakuru ago kandi twentongerayo irakaryitu ahari munyambabazi wena okureba ngo mwakwataraho omushcyugwe bambe yabasa kuba nagaruka n'amagaraje twagumizamo government etandikiro kuhandika na no kuhereza ndanga mu ntombanya Uganda abahereze kwihwa omuyihanga area South Africa okuhandika bantaba kuri yo nukugenda nukukorerwa aha National Leadership Institute omuri Kyankwanzi
Programu ejejendereye kwandika abantu bakukarushanju abo government hereze kuyo muyihanga lya South Africa bwanyuma y'embere sirwa abantu ba South Africa abari kuba bingo muyanga lyabo oyihero kubahereza endanga muntu abahona bariyo no bahebwe mishomo yo kubahumuriza emberembe ibarabiremu nendijo mishomo yo kwetungura.
We have over 700 plus and we are expecting more to come, and of which majority are not the because group. They've been in South Africa doing different businesses. And that's why you can see that majority are Uganda speakers. When we ask them, obadokolachi, badem saw Muganda. Obadokolachi, badem kola mumviri, restaurant, such things. So generally we brought them to Kyankwanzi. This is the 6th day. To become ideologically aligned, to be patriotic enough, to love their country, to realize that East or West home is the best.
Helen Saku, Commissioner wa National Secretariat for Patriotism Corps, ayongire kutangaza habwenchi government etiro programu eji nechere kuza kuyamba abantu aba.
When you look at our participants here, majority are NUP supporters. But we've brought them to Kyankwanzi to ideologically align them and show them that the government is not their enemy, but it's an entity willing to work with them and make their lives better. That's why you see on our programs we have brought different speakers, like the PDM. How should they benefit from PDM as returnees? We have also brought a Myoga group. They've already talked to them. We have brought local government, the opportunities in the communities. How should they tap into the different government programs to make wealth, to make money?
Abahona nabaza kwebwe mishomo erimo kundi ihanga lyabo ningashijete patriotism yenkora no byobushubuzi ebyobuhingi hamwe n'oburisa kandi ekigenderwa no kwenda ngo abantu abaza kuruga Kyankwanzi bashohore bino bukugu kumara obwo kubasa kubayamba kwebingaho bworo hamwe no kutungura amaka gabo.
Statistically, out of the 683 communities who have returned, we have so far done 410, inclusive of adults above 18, both male and female, and children, because, you know, as NERA, we are supposed to register everyone from 0 years, and we are trying to encourage registration of babies, of children. So we took up that chance to also register the children who have come.
Tenti batandiko tu briefing batuletera abantu kutubulirira n'abasirikale bennyini bana babeerawo olaba nga bagezaako okubawero kaminga omusirikale omusubira kuba mukambwe nesinalaba ku bukambwe bwabwe okitegeera ate nga abantu abangi mubaamu ensobi ezikolebwa nitunalabawo kuba wadde oluyi tunalabawo kubayombesa.
Sakwasimire President Yoweri Museveni habw'okutawa enteekateeka egi kuyamba abantu aba kurabira omu bitongole bya gavumenti bitari bimwe na bimwe kandi ahamize ku President Yoweri Museveni arikuza kuhikaho omukoro gw'okukingaho omushomo ogu ogurikuza kubaho 2017 by'okwa mushanju omwaka ogu. Agwa TV West Abdulkarim Sengendo.
Webare Sengendo Abdulkarim. Yo City Council eyambara ubwe erukorerwa barikurebuza amatungo n'enyamishwa batanduka umurumo ogwo kubara na no kujema amatungo agarumembwa hamwe na nenjangu okwenda kurwanya sendwara yo butacengana rishe rabies erukwata umuntu yaheza kurumwa cyumwa habinyamishwe.
Omurmogo gwebembirumo Dr. Amanyire Moses ogunuwe arukurebuze bikwatirine n'enyamishwa n'amatungo omurembo rwambara.
Embwa kapa byona bibase kutunga okujemwa habwa kino tukoreki embwa zazitagemerwe neziba risk hamagara gaitu abantu kana na hamagara g'amatungo gaitu. Embwa n'ekintu kimwe kikora kukwata oburwaire obuturukweta rabies obugwiraro obukuza omu matungo especially omu mbwa na za kapa haza obo oburwaire noreba embwa nitutura nazo they are domestic animals nitutura nazo mu maka gaitu aho nikirahuka embwa yakwata oburwaire okubasa kuruma omuntu omuka kandi yaba atatungire yitweta post exposure vaccine omubwire omuntu ogwo nabasa nawo kukwata oburwaire na tabuka.
Embwa n'enjangu baheza kubisirika nabongera babihandika
kuhandika okuturiyo ntugema turi kuhandika nitwenda kwiza kukora ezitukweta neck belts oba neck collars eziriho amazina g'embwa ezo na serial numbers kugira ngu nyensya twaba nitutambura omu tawuni twareba embwa tube nitumangu embwa nambeji eine serial number harukoba rwayo yaruga omu kayananga so tubase ku apprehendinga abo barikurekura embwa zabo zikaza omu public anyhow.
Hawa TV West ndise Nyomo Gideon aho murimbara.
Webare Senyomo Gideon abinembwa batakazitereza obukato muzitware babase kubana bazijema umurebe bito murungi otwikirize tubase kubantumuraho tugarukana makuru agande
nibikushikibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute
tukeneye gukiza umwuga gwitu ugutwaraganise amashomero ninga kishomero tukusomesezamo umwuga ubwo niguha umwuga ubwo no kuranga tubashashura fisi no kubesigireyo twamara balance rero isomero ryabana kutebekanisiza je abana bitu batuma kurungi tureke kunagira amashomero tukanaka abana dushaka abana kubera bitu so twice bitkuba tutebekanise rero hazombuwe amashomero tujya kugenda je abana bitu bega kandi ubwo tebe kubantushuza abana bitu tukareba bahika kusoma kwabo
obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegesi bw'abantu bukukibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute.
Are you in panic or
or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
ebyokwomeka byonjera koroba kankwanjulire ankole crazy limited abara kubumbira byokwombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalore tiles, Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks, max pans, interlocking bricks, otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent, Torino, Venezia na Sisa bakwinira na Pompeii, Malta, Double Pompeii mbwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakoza technology rispiria echo nabyombecyesi cyangale nka bendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole crazy limited tugende twombeke
manager ogito wagito konka batumu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ achumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunyumbo na wampesi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wena ningende mbogo yoka nembogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira kasheko izuba ryona ombazgwa meino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensiona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kaho komukanwa karungi gweza meino kwiteshikoko cyo meino kandi gukazibera kurwara kozesa ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimo white gel, herbal mint gel hamwe na red gel buri ka box ka ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up no shanga mu brush ya mino eyabsha gushanje umaduka gona mwihanga na burengero izuba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo
Skylight Hotel erestora uhereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City ahibaru kwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36 36
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi rosfo nikangara konko bya mashamera nogwa mutindo rosfo isi yokushemera
okuraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje omugongo takubyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rose form rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
ndahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho rose form esi yokshebera kwanje
rose form esi yebiroto birungi.
Give your child the opportunity to build a brighter future by enrolling at Ankole Western University, a Christian-founded institution located in Shema District on Kabohe Hill. Ankole Western University provides a conducive learning environment with modern facilities and highly qualified professional lecturers dedicated to equipping students with the knowledge, skills, and values needed to succeed in today's competitive world. Programs offered: degree and diploma programs in agriculture, information technology, accountancy, business administration, public administration, education, and theology. Postgraduate diploma programs are also available. August intake 2026 registration is in progress. Ankole Western University offers a 50% scholarship to eligible students. Tuition fees after scholarship: degree programs, Ugandan shillings 650,000 only. Diploma programs, Ugandan shillings 450,000 only. Apply today. Download application forms from www.au.ac.ug. Ankole Western University, light of the world.
Kare kuruka yuko mu kahumuro twagumizamo n'amakuru agacencwire ageshwe kaciti ca kabiri. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yagumya abeka y'umusinga wa Rwenzururu Charles Wizire mu mbere oryo musinga wa Rwenzururu okuferwa munyanya asinanse muhindo kunihira ofirere aha myaka nshanju nebiri y'obukuru. Ebyagamba Right Honorable Dr. Crispus Chiyonga owabari oryo wa kabiri wo muhwezi w'enganzi yihanga aha mukoro ogwo kushendekerezo mbere rw'umugenzi ogwakorerwa hari Rwenzori Square umutawne ya Kasese.
Aha mukoro go kuzika Asinance Muhindo kunihira kibanzanga orumyanya wo musinga wa Rwenzururu His Majesty Charles Wizire mu mbere. Right Honorable Dr. Crispus Chiyongori wa kabira muhwezi w'enganzi yihanga yajya mu government yaferwa muntu w'amani.
On behalf of the government, on behalf of the NRM party, and on behalf of my family and the Basita, I wish to extend heartfelt sympathies to Omusinga in bracket King, to Honorable Christopher Kibanzanga, MP Buendera County, and all members of the royal family upon the death of the Chief Princess. In particular, I send commiserations to the children of the late Rubuwa for the loss of your mother.
Mukuru w'ihanga yagaruka yashabira beka yo musinga ngo ruhanga bagumye barabo mu mbereje yo kuferwa.
I pray that the Lord grants the king and the royal family the fortitude to go through this moment of grief and sorrow. May the soul of the late Chief Princess rest in peace. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda.
Honorable Christopher Kibanzanga orumyanya wo mugenzi yajyango mugenzi abira ryo mukozi kandi uko abena atandike kintu cyo narebeka ngo yakimaririza.
She was very assertive. A liberated woman. So I'm to the Roma okay. Very assertive woman. Maybe to my teaching to call her.
Right Honorable Benson Kure Baritazare orienganzi y'obusinga bwa Rwenzururu omukushoma obutumwa bwo musinga wa Rwenzururu His Majesty Charles Wizire mu mbere yasima munyanya bw'emerume yabire nakora hatari mu kushororo mu nganda.
Enya rubire alunya rubire erigerera alwe akatangerera buli mundu okute akasororo
kumwana sabangaho ngabuyingira kulisinga singa nibi abona natoyinga ruhano nayo kubunguka emwendeka nayo mwanditsikaho ukivuga ruhano na wenda utegetege cha uchiro ukaroda bakishakutsika ngabanasabye abangana na sirirwa 14 amulolu 13 ate oyuka horero munyambo mu Yesu Kristo nero kwakana lekati mibiri yiwe nere mibiri yiwe iwe
omubiri gw'omugenzi gw'abantu guziikwa mu kyaro kya Nyamirangara omu Central Division Kasese Municipality amakuru agashaka Gilbert Muhanguzi
webare Gilbert Muhanguzi abebyo kwerinda abarukorwa mu Central Hambo mu district ya Burisa bakomera abantu 12 abarumuna n'enzarwa eza Democratic Republic of Congo
abakwatirwa mpotoro yo kurwana Central Hambi ebireye bembirwe Kano Simon Barejuka bashangirwa hamwaro gwa Wanseko omu district ya Burisa.
So far 12 suspects who are at police and we are from here that's where we're headed to make sure that we open up the files and then document together with the fisheries officers technical report and they will be prosecuted in the courts of law.
Omupotoreji obwato nebitimba ebitarukwikirezebwa aha nyanja byocibwe
and this has pushed us to getting back to square zero whereby we'll have to make sure that we come and curb these illegalities and whoever is still thinking of participating in illegal fishing should be ready anytime we are coming for them.
Bitu kanda bantu batongera kakumu amahe ngo nigabiha hebitimba
kari wakakwata wantu mu mezi bakodwa hadi magale na magale bakukwata simu ya walobi mukute boss wenyu atweke sente okotweka sente mutwari 15 bakusetika watigamu na watu wamu bakupira kwa mugigili nanga keto wakoronge kwayo
buli muntu agenda kuba akurolera mugenzi we byakukora nti okukora kirungi rundi kwa ati enkoro ene lesira amaiso mangi ekibaire kitaroho mukasumi kenyumo ko amaiso ganga gakutunira muntu omu akora kintu kibi.
Chairman wa district ya Burisa Wandera Twairwe yagira ngo behire yo kurwanisa emizeme berya hamyaro
emyaro ibaba hayire rundi ibatu hayire nka Burisa eri ntaito so netu nka district tuhandikire baruha tuhandikira general kiding who is concerned with approving emyaro egyo kurorango batungiri.
District ya Burisa eine emyaro mushanju gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto
webare Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto ekanisa amwena nabebyo bwegese omu district ya Ibanda basimira omugurusi jibu rw'omushana ahabwo kubemyemyo omutungura ebyo bwegese jibu akebemberamo abandi bati batandika hwishomero rya Bufunda Primary School eri hansi yekanisa kandi ishomero erishomisa abantu bingi
okusima omugurusi jibu rw'omushana kukorerwa mu kanisa ya Bufunda muri Ibanda kandi ogu habaire narwo mbwebembezi bwa nyuma y'okwebembera akakiiko akakutwara ishomero rya Bufunda kumara emyaka 32 omuhandiki omukuru w'obureberezi bwa North Western Kwere Diocese Canon George Turiyasingura niwajwekire omureberezi amukoro ogu okurikirira mugurusi jibu ishomereri akaritandika omwaka gwa 1998 abwembera mbi eyaberereho ey'abaana kushoma
nkatandika akashomero ka Bufunda ngo abishiki banjye bareke n'ubwana bwabere bw'uruhu bureke kwanga gusa interpreted ko kimunyingire yahati mbere ukatandika abana beje bakanya kashomeruka niba byatsube aha abana kababa bindi mu mbuga
abw'emyaka kugenderera obwo bwebembezi abukwatize Eli atereze kandi ogwarahizibwe omu kusiima ogu.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God kanijibabira visionary leader kandi bigambira ngo yashobora nosama kama watu mugambiramu kwebembeza omwami Eli Gasenkwire we kama wamugambiremo because Eli na Rumshana niwe kandi turire nabo ndeba bagore kintu kimwe
kandi as group of institutions kandi we national primary twajya mu secondary tukinde college tukinde university tukinde mukam primary mukamwenu Rumshana yapiye primary yaje ufunda kandi twarajikunda munonga twajya muri yale ufunda primary kebe ya primary yitu ya university
ahagire kumura abere yatandika ecombeka kisya ari okukwatanisa n'abazaire abandi kandi ekyo bamusiimire
tindi ruhanga kandi tinyine bwengero nabwo kutera abandi konka kukwemeza mukama abokwebwa mukama abokorekwa mukama bikozire ebyona bivamu
benakunda entunguka benakunda okwombeka so enamba y'abaana kuyayeyongire yaruga hari 2018 yazari 571 enamba y'abaana twaburaho kubashitamisa twababuraho kushomera baza hansi y'omuti so nka chairman wa school management committee yarete ekitenso cyo kugira ngo twombeke ekinde kizimbe
Gashakwa Timothy Mushabe
webare Timothy Mushabe murebi witu wa TV Sto Murungi tukusima aho uri kuturebera hona kandi webare na no kutorana kureba TV West Studio makuru agacencwire kongo tukize tumureho tugarukana makuru agandi
izuba emirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cha kituzi yenywere kituzi ohurra matwenge aha mumiro nikikorwa ku rugo mu kituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo eki nikikorwa ba kituzi farm company limited abeine teknolojia nebyoma byo mutindo kituzi drink ekirizibwa kitongore cyo mutindo muihanga echa UNBS kandi neshangwa mu maduka na supermarket zono muihanga kushubura tera simu noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda.
The Antode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abahiriza senior kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemere kubushyikiro kubara no rujungu hamwe n'ebya science ihora kwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire emyaka 2 mu field buri mwezi na hawo mugisha go kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera mugisha go kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruko mugiro bwira eishomero nirishangwa rya Ntonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kuma ibiri kukira hotera no tumushanju 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatu na 4
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi Chuchumura kabozi tuntumure stress Tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi Oshemezo mu wife oshemezo mu husband Komora tukunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink Chikitasyo munsi y'amagara marungi Nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi kireta amana masyo mubashirira hamwe n'abakazi n'endijo megasho kwata kabozi multivitamin drink otuntumura cyubaro na stress echo kunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi health products limited chamibwe UNBS kandi churuhombe pimo bya milliliters 320 omuduka supermarket hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwetorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanya biri kuciraho 0702 15 0M
And that's it for today. Until the next episode.
Everything could be end.
Penkoni.
Yeah.
Yakwera utamuha umudu nokora ekikire wanywa mpenkoni noshumura kushemererwa ohurira obunuzi n'obusinge noenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
Legenda yakintu cyo cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindika omushisha nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangover narisho kuterwa umutwe sinza kutambura ngasinywede ku mpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nywako tunga icupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, our babane. Everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Ndabye mbaga ya daddy.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa.
Kansinage bampaking it
Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Alo.
Ese mwami mukasa.
Mutyaneyo.
Yono broka.
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenunjiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala yabisenge bimeka.
Nga bisatu.
Ebeyi bagigambye.
Abangambye saa 5.
Deda 7 zali nyabuko.
Yidwachi.
Anti rangi je tusigisa ya mulembe. Ati nefali y'ekitundu yalinnya.
Musigisachi.
Global Paints.
Mutia.
Ku ceiling. Tukozesa Global Mat. Ate munda ne tukozesa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
Wabweru tukozesa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Owa. Kusiga je musiga. Ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Guli umite.
Global Paint, a reliable product. Mayanja Memorial Medical Training Institute abari kushangwa mu Rembo Mbarra nibamanyisa abantu mwena ngo kushaba emyanya ahabo bwegese bubushaho aharengurwa diploma na certificate ni kugendo misho ahabo July intake course za certificate nezi eyo buzarisa jete midwifery eyo bunurse jete nursing eyo kuchebereshagama jete medical laboratory techniques okushoma courses notekwa kuba okishire chemistry biology physics okubara norungereza rero nibashomesa na diploma zezi clinical medicine and community health emyaka 3 eyo kuchebereshagama jete medical laboratory technology emyaka 3 okweyongera ahabunasi ninga buzarisa jete nursing o midwifery extension o mahagomene chweka reto kushaba kwawe ahishomero Mayanja Memorial Medical Training Institute kandi kumegukiraho teresimezi Airtel not even not note mwenda 23 ina mukaga munana na MTN not 3 emwe mwenda ina 3 emwe Mayanja Memorial Training Institute, empowering to serve.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
The parent is Tuliahewa Dixon. And the child is Tuliahewa Esther.
Kambera gwete ko mugisha ngo ishe watu yahewa Esther
wahangura school fees ngene na hateja shana amashemero magonka MTN momo eberewo mbeni nyegasta igana kaga ni 5 sta manana 0 hash kushashuro mwana school fees tokoma nyo mucheri zagwijo wanje ninga nchaka ngwasa kuzo wawe mwebare munonga.
June to 19 July, everything can wait. The FIFA World Cup 2026. Catch all 104 matches on 4 dedicated channels, live on SuperSport, only on GoTV.
Hamwe na ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads tokujwara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinge bwingi n'amani go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine by'obukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinge izoba lyona nechiro quality pads affordable price. Pads zezi zikasimwa na award za bulenje bw'izoba ya Afrika. Feathers Pads niziretwa omusaizi nyingi ahari mu empango neza bulijo kandi nizija na pantline nazizabusha okuyamba omumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads okwoloba amani obusinge. Feathers Sanitary Pads obukumi bw'omutano ombwire bw'omutano.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumiza mu namakuru agacencwire ageshwe gacito cyahamheru abature b'cyaro eca umuchikazi omutawuni kanso ya Mpefu omu district ya Kagadi nabo baceragwerwa kagwe bwa nyuma y'umusigazi okutema temishento akamwita
Oiserwe ni Wilson Katshabe emyaka 56 y'obukuru omutura omucyaro kimwe nkigamwango ogo bamutemetemere omumbwire busha ina z'omucyaro okuru Gerard Mukomugenzi Grace Kabatambuzi wakubasa kuba ari nyuma y'ikikoro eki John Kasemere aizire omucyaro shahishatu yemusiba ari kumugirango nyina abire atemberwe amarogo ngo bagendane amukwateho akere.
Ani abantu bona twizira hano tugwiriwe kikangabwa twasanga omusajja bamutemere kandi abo Ruganda bagamba abona bayirukire kandi batwama kuri bagamba atemerwa abo Ruganda kandi umoja ari kumutema amutemere bagamba ngo ni John mutabano wa Kasimiri.
Haijo mwana ni amweta John Kasimiri. Oboizire yakwata umuhanda yataka yayetanyo narongo turuka ujoro nanyonje kora ngwijo kwata mama buwo tata wakagadi ali nkaha aturuka jagenda kwata mama kwata umuhanda aki narugojana ibintu narugojana ibintu na seraki kora mama ati nanyo John genda mpora omusajja kajwale aija tukaheru byarusinga nyoni ingamba sibya nasanda umwana nabaliza kimwe urugendo sambe ngukanje kingule
Grace nanje ashobora ngo ebarukujinana omushija we ngo atari mu rugo takubimanya bit ezibasa kuba ziri emparana ziri kukomoka anshonga z'amataka
kandi imparana zica mu bataka hari mu mparana nege ni muyiri abe kikati bakumumanya tebamwezaga kisaka kintu kumanya abukaka kebo isaka izakuzire mu muzeyi nawe yakora kiyafu
ebizibebe bibireho biresigwe family utakwatagana shija babire bari kumuteka tekamo nabasa kuba nari abantu kandi ubuzibu buri kuruga mu bantu ba family abashabirizi bana bari kwifura ngo nabashabirizi no bagerezeho kuterana family kwija kushabira umuntu munakani wari kwenda kurya kandi atakina ubwiye
Chairman LC1 Awaselia Chikazi nagirango abere yatungire arpota anshonga ezi na mnogeswa n'uburugo abechika barukujinana omugenzi
uza nabaruga bata ntashobora yangamba kakwa akashanga umwana wanje nibwo yabirazigo maze iri myezi 8 yamukwato mu mutu umwana yatandika kukabana hata umwana cyakabaga yagamba tukaba twine bara turi kutunda watagije atwara kagerasi kutwamuburiza kagerasi yadera amaguru yagama mu gihaga igahara namara ku harabahiciro kimwe umushija ko yagira gura bora gipiki yamutera sente zona zaho yagira ko yamazire yapange akanda ka sente yashobore samaki kuyazikizo mu kumushije yazire bo yagira ngo mwaze kubigahara samaki kuyagara cyanyanja marafuku bazi kwata bazose
abamwisire ne batebesirize bwaconkani bona ngo birukirete bariho chonka ahita kugambira polisi Elias postmortem yakorwa nacha mazima muntakozereki umuntu bamwisire
nanjagira ngo enshonga ezi bakasitamamu bashara mu ngo mugenzi hati arja cyaro bite cyo busasi nuko mutabana okumweta
umwine hishunga imwe ba family kamwamwanga kuriki yagamba icyo gukora mazima gari ikibanje tata ntiyakimuhira akakimuha atinda kimwaka atunde agende nitutwale bali cyo kikiri twaga umushije family ya kulisi hate kurugiremo mwe nukugira ngo ibintu zikusira wanaka mpora hatagire cyawe kitwaga mpora urundo mpora uri kurondaga no kutunga ubwire bwayi kuyitundira kandi tukakoreki obarugemo
polisi nkuru ya Kagadi yayikomwanyugu yikiriza okuzika kubeho obukuchondoza kuri kugendo mesho omugenzi yasiga abana mukaga no mukazi amakuraga gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze
webare Thomas tumwebaze kandi ebikorwa nk'ibyo ibyo kutwara amateko mu ngaro itwentu bijumira babatura umuri rw'enshama yo kubanza umuri wode ya rw'enshama Kagongo division no muri Shema municipality nabo barebiro kutangara bwa nyuma y'ikimotoke cyhango kuruga harbuto chityo chikahwero makagabantu omushaha zomwe bazyo shaha nkikumene mwaho
akagangwa tukomera
aberebeire nagabon batanga chimotokechi hechechke cha sino track namba UBM rishanjana na 8M chubaire chirya speed y'echengerezi chityo kuchishira kona charemera driver nuko kuhendera chitahiro munje mutura chikatera ko chenje chumwe stoha hamuna nenjo yo mukozi
bureche tuchaja chituku nandi omunjo omuharama abana bonza kushohora heru nshangano umukino we yanavuga arimo musagazi hato musagazi asyoka guruka genda omucagumamo omucarajana atumwize munyakiro mwana aba bari mu nguto baragamu biyamo mwana namucyashobora aragamu agenda
agikwaso mukazi ni wana agivuga kuyakaha ngo yanara kutobera abantu baboda boda babiri uyashira mu yagiteze nju yanjye umugo kwita abantu tikuma bayanayega obatura navuga obayine permit tinkukimanyecho
General Structure obeira ryo munju agizengo abeira ryo munju rera abana babeira bariyo batasi mwana mstoha kati akagwe nuko kubagwera kandi nkabeira ntavuga mukazi rero mutsigazi abeira mushitamya rubaju acicira mwana
atumwe no munsasere atininye nani mvuga atkunareba kwita aba boda abantu babiri atunuko kushara nkajya ntikanshare mbonesa ba boda umwe motoka teka sumo kwifu ati nikake kanga nagize renta nabwire
nabwanyuma omutsigazi obeire ino mwishiki obeire navuga motokeji ayirukire mpaka aho abatura bayizire bakanyuriramu omukazi obeire navuga hamwe n'omwana we nabo baburiza amaisho omukaire kace
nati yaruga nka yagira ngo tumhe namba zesumu izaba ekitongore eki mukiterito tugambe nakyo najya twona shoko ngo bonje abantu bakora nizagambira asumura muntu utakureba ajeho tushitame tuganire ngamukama w'ikintu ngamukama w'ikitongore rero twaganise bitekateko turi kuturagara ibintu bya director ebyasisikana
abaturana n'abebembezin bajangwe motokebi bibaburiza imhande rigenda abo kuba abari kubivuga nibavuga nk'abagwiraro kandi ekindi bakabukorera imhande yabyo konka nibanga kugira bambarumba eye motokenshi
abo kuba ombwire bwe nyuma ho kake zitakizire tube twine nguto nungi twine imhanda mirungi konkubwira obuzizire mu enguto zitu nubwe zisisikire harumwe byina harumwe umucucu nubo era ati nyonanye ndi umuvugi konka nubo kuba nobwabugana nayo mihanda yona ureba ngusuno truck ne motoka ne banze kutera umucucu kiretero tahweza kiritanangwa ne motoke zindi ezabane siguzana nayo kuretera zaza nko miforije ninga abo bahanda kubabuki
koroganya inteka teke myaka nkenyuma 3 narena to discussing issues za sino truck municipal tomu za tremesa twashara mutwazihereze imhanda yazo kakansa twaja imakinga twagitekaho konka bayanga kugira bata bayanga kugira bamo
polisi ya Shema Central Station Kabohe ishiramwanya batyo bararaho bacikomere ubwo bategereze breakdown impango yakwasa kucinyurayo ubwo kucondoza kuri kugenda meisho gashakwa Mike Atwachi
webare Mike Atwachire tuzo mu makuru y'imizano timu y'umpira gwebjere ya district ya Bushenyi nayo yarareterekanisize umuzano gwayo ogwe kuza kuritana na district ya Shema umumpaka eza Ankole Cup ahizobiri ya Nyincakare achaye chakabure
timu ya Bushenyi rukwetekatekera kutayira timu ya Shema district izoberi ya Nyincakare omuzano gwa hamuhero gwa group yo kubanzo gw'empaka za Ankole Cup erizo abagiraho kutendekwa okwa hamuhero okwa bahachaye cyanya kabirizi omutendeki wa timu VRB no mugisha na captain wa timu Sierra Argumaho bayoreko kubetegurire kimwe okwihobonero ahar timu ya Shema
omupira first of all twetebekanisizeje tulije tutine mwinjarizi training akunji tukulebesho bezi twakoziro mu last game tukuzana ntungamo so tukoraho watisi tubageza ku perfectinga kandi inkito ngabazani na nyinkanye mose edition yako kasinga ku nto twaje ku edition banga edition za twakatiye ku pasa kwa final basa kutera ku edition ya kushambira chikopo
ogunugwije kubagurwa umurundo gwa kana Bushenyi rukuritana na timu ya Shema omumpaka za Ankole Cup aho muzano gwabandize Sheme kagutura Bushenyi gorisha to haryemwe kandi muzano go kugarukana tugurahwire bwanyuma ya timu zombiri kuremerwa kwikirizana omuzano nuko kutoroga kandi omuzano guhererukire ogwigwire hempakezi timu zombi zikagwa makazi bosha habundi omuzano gwabiro muri Bushenyi
so nyo chinkosa kusubiza abantu ba Bushenyi no kugira ngo bekunge Nyincakare baze tuze Shema zo kusinga umupira ekindi chinkosa kubagambara bazikare cyo kuba promising no kugira ngo Shema no gukoraki tekwasa kutera Bushenyi
timu ya Bushenyi miyebembire kimeza cha group yo kubanza ekuratirwe timu ya Ntungamo aho barukwinganisa habonero butano kandi yo Shema eshembire group no bonero 2
kare timu iba kusinga mu group A ejo neja kubanerga omumpaka ezechikope cha Ankole tugumizemu time zijwekire cyangwa cya ankoro mizano y'amashomero agasiniya ya Uganda yona erizoba zatandukana mano muzano gwa volleyball kandi timu Ezirumuntare School Mbara High School St Kagwa St Elizabeth Kitabe Seminary zona zatandukana n'ubusinguzi.
Omizano y'amashomero ga senior ya Uganda yone yazanwe rizoba St Kagwa basinga Lakeside Ruzera nobwo babibera hari 0 Ntare School yasinga St Paul's Buyanja ahabwo babibera hari 0 Mbara High School yasinga Kor bobira hari 0 Kitabe Seminary yasinga Entebbe SS nobwo babibera hari 0 Kando mubishchi St Elizabeth Girls Secondary School Mbarara yasinga emizano ebiri erukutera na bingo na Makara SS obwo babibera hari 0 omizano yombiri. Ruborogota yasinga Notre Dame nobwo babibera hari 0 Kashaka yasingwa Immaculate Hata habwo babibera hari kamwe Chinon Girls yasingwa na Bisunsa bobera hari 0 kandi yo bugamba SS yasingwa abana mugongo ahabwo babibera hari 0 omukubaka isingiro SS yatandika kurungi erukutera Kinyara gora 29 hari 16 konka Kibas High School yasingwa Kajansi gora 25 hari 16 Mbarura Ame yasingwa Masese Seed gora 20 hari 16 St Jerome High School Ndama yasinga Nankabirwa gora 23 hari 21 boda SS abine Chikopo basingiganga gora 4 hari 5 kandi yo Kibura SS yasinga Musana gora 35 hari 12 Omo basketball yabarya hansi y'emyaka 17 St Joseph's Vocational School Mbarara yasinga Mengo SS nebwo bana mushanjo hari 27 omo handball timu za Chermani Ezirmugombe Kiburi Kawanda hamwe na Wampewo nazo zatandika kurungi.
Respecting kugira ngo timu zikoraje turiyo mu group F volleyball itwazana first game yiteri izoba na Suisa Girls game ya veritaiti konka abikibazana ikibamba basa gukora
Ramuzano kutwatandukana gwe kaja progressive yatutera konka tiyatera yatsinga just by 2 yatsinsa hibiri konga tubaraganza ngo zempere nakora tuza kupera
gasha kwa Aloysius Byamukama omuruguru
webare Aloysius Byamukama emizanejo erumune hindira kuriya omu district eya Guru amakuru agacencuire aho nho twabasa gahendera wabanaga ku sound Elias Rutugusa na mutahi wanje Sande Brian no rumo rwo bonero itwendeza okurara kurungi.
Eshaha zabisha tuzekiro na use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Na hati gumano kozesa ABC Dent na Fresher kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumen kahumuraje izoba rion ABC Dent na Fresher nibikuhereza kawo karungi munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresher dero oyiyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina
manyati rukwatebekaniza chiniro HUUTA OBUNUZI nitugumeze mu kubatahira mbyanga byanyu omu bisiki bwo cinehiro abantu bishongorero gorora mabona rwenkobwa rw'umuhoro amungari n'ebicweka byona byahinguriza ibanda nitubeta aha Friends Corporate Club ahari Bufunda Street omuri ibanda ebiri ku byo kwa mushanje umwaka ogu ijo cyakare n'abahereza bawe ba Radio West na TV West obwe tunabeshongoze nka Vala Music n'abazinurangano aba HUUTA dancers manyogo n'umurozo ekine hiro HUUTA bunuzi nikiza kuhendera na bitano byo kwa mushanje 2026 omugishayi kacheka omuri mbarara bishagicirwe Nyakaje People Circle Shihan Logistics Limited na Pepsi.
Ukumbereba ne kukibaho
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
program Ukumbereba iwo noberewota abakikuru banje abana nyine abantu group civil you can imagine I didn't expect this program. Abana bato kujenyo ngabana na enjoying a program hati ngaba bana bade aba bafuta program then nyine group yanje yabantu bakuru ntajya to taka kwatativa nkomusha bakanoona biremba gambe akaja tiyo mwana wabana nanda kufutaza tindenda kamanyira byo kwenda kurebora bireba kumbireba yawo munywe imbogo niyo tutam cash shilingi 10 akacupa umkasheshe umengo naza kulya nebyo kugira ngo manyaenda nishasha manyakina chiti kurya muhogo kurya kabeji tindanywa ntulire iwe lya byone byolenda kulya waheza ozongoze akabogo okahuleyo ulaza kubola ntebeza ninyenda kubagamanyisa ekintu kyesimu ninesimu ibiromo omusumwemu hati omuntu nakuterera nebintu bibiri nakuterera oshango missed call omuterera odatalo wanogamba ati ni wambipinga no hari kigambo missed call na okubipinga ole nokuja chip konko omuntu yatera yashanga otaro so iworeka kujo haza wambipinga no gira ngo nashanga missed call abukana hikinyizo mwini kanyowe mbipinga ari abantu abatachibipinga yes muhereza abantu ebitins oshange nka MP oshange nka abedini oshange nka abantu abakora kujo haza nashanga ho wambipinga no jo tunashanga missed call ato no wamuhereza kitins mu avoiding ekigambo wambipinga no it's a kigambo ky'okusoundinga then ekyakabiri omuntu areke kuterera esimu Airtel kandi okamuterera MTN akakuja ati wanogamba ki kandi kaniyo wantera manya nakuterera Airtel kandi wato lyono nteza MTN kanyo MTN tinkagitereza wanyetegereza kuyo kopata simu joto wantera Airtel haza ninye jofure butumi tinkumanya chwano gamba naza kuja niwe so twego okweyanjurana twego okweyanjura let's be polite abantu bingi esema hati zikahinduka abantu tubakigambira kubyasimo hapana omuntu no bari katuje ngo omuntu no bakubipinga no basakse oyino mwana oyina bana bona bari mu boarding banyetegeza omwana yabakubi oriyo nenda kuyamba ariyo nenda kugamba ngo mwana wahinde cyambaho hati no eje no muzajibipinga please pick and call iwana orebo munju yawo noraramo oyina bana mukaga konko ine mu mukazi wowenga wabeno manyango esumu respecting esimu zota kuma no horo mutega nyese mazita 7 yeti kuzikwata ngusekelebe akando orgambira nombantu azara abantu amwebe abamwemba kira kubesisa nyese metali manaka tenka jigarkam oyino kujigarkam kando raza kujigarkam when it is too long abana mukaga bona tokumanya hiba kandi tibinesum no abana bawe tibinesuma kwa bya yishome konkoryo no tebya nyowesum ori yande nasango miscore yesuma yinta nanchiri tinguza kujigarka noza kutungechizo oreke kwate smoke ahonam that's being rude yes kwate sum kani watera bitinenji kani watera wanogambachi oryoha no yandachi they say hello yes hey nubanyeta speed tinkumanya unoza kunaja speed nani nkorona kukareka kazomu haza nako hanyo naza kubyama murareje mukama bandende kubirewa iwe no birewa
okumbireba yaba ni ku kibuga
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Tyson mwiroko mugende mwirukanze nko kweri mugirete kase tuyiroko mukagwatagana nuko akajiba kwata Robert aza kututwara ugiteka yo munanko Yesu biji kana nimwe ngone yo kubaga hati MTN resara kazanano baketa ko kuko liko kugira ngo buri nkoko kwe kuzugo mu kasese hagati ya saye mwena saye ibiri ukagura voice bundles asimu yawe then yo MTN nekwereza menatsi ezabuse zinde zo koze sizo baryona
gurende chikaro hagati ya shahe mwe na shahe ibiri zakasheshe rero tungende chikisha tuzabusha ezo kutera ba MTN izo baryona nyegasta emwe not star ibi emwe hash rero tungende chika zawe zabusha buri zoba MTN twina hamwe okurizana kwitu tukuruho kizibera MTN.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and multi-flavor, so rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
Radio West ni radio kashangwaho radio rugeitanganda omu myaka banamushaje mu buhereza
ninchi manyango byabusha bambe namarago bikawayo konka mute wakasente kache karinganire yaman rasta chazi ni manyisa abanyambara mwena na nemyanya yitorire isinjiro chiruhura ibanda na nahandi hona ngu ebiro 25 byekwezi kwa mushanju ntiza kuba turi mu cyayi kaceka turi omukini hero HUUTA OBUNUZI rasta jazz ninza kubanyo
ebyane bikwenda nyingunyo ba DJ abakabi abaraptero muziki ebyane bakakwetogota weno kabayanga ntuzaka bane bihembo wiguga oteberwa no kugashura za rushaju
otaferwa
Rokwetwa mbayata mugabe asafu ahanikahe nitunga mamu katareke bitoche Aya no yatetera nigarba kutetera nibantetera tari ko binyate tari ko binene rero babinga
abakazi bana no kubirizayo
ye
abwo kuba hata istoche ne kumishatu no wanda no shera abakazi bana mwese kumwe ni ibintu nzikuremesa ku kushera abakazi
abakazi bana
obatasya
abwo ko byo kurya biriho ta mu rujungu akomara babije barashure matakwa nyotsi ndo rujungu bagambira mu rujungu tinyowe ko kunyesimbire niza kuragura bakoreraje kandi biremeneza kubiremura
okay thank you for coming the people of journalists from Mbara to come here then I'm stay here to tell you nti niza kukorera abantu bona niza ko ingambira okay
Watching Focus on Africa, coming to you on BBC News. Our top stories. Russia pledges deeper cooperation with the Alliance of Sahel States as the three military-led governments of Burkina Faso, Mali and Niger continue to battle persistent jihadist insurgencies.
It's coming to a very difficult time in the period of the relations between the alliance and Russia. And this signals that this is something where they want to maintain relations.
Meanwhile, the Deputy Prosecutor of the International Criminal Court tells the BBC that investigators have found evidence of crimes against humanity in Sudan's Darfur region.
We have now found concrete evidence that links what is happening on the ground through linkage evidence to specific persons in leadership mode.
Also coming up in the program today, Moroccan fans light up the city of Boston in the United States as the Atlas Lions prepare to face France in the quarter-finals of the FIFA World Cup.
That means Dima Maghreb, that means go Morocco. We're right there behind you. We're going to support you every single time, every single year.
Many thanks for joining us and welcome to the program. Glad to have you with us. This is Focus on Africa. You're just in time. I'm Wahiga Mwaura. All right, we begin the program in the Sahel region. That's between Western and North Central Africa, where Russia has pledged to deepen cooperation with the Alliance of Sahel States. This is the bloc comprising of Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger. Well, the pledge came during talks in Niger's capital, Niamey, between Russia's Foreign Minister, Sergei Lavrov, and his counterparts from the three member states. Niger's military leader, General Abdurrahman Tiani, was also in attendance. Well, the meeting was the second ministerial meeting or gathering between Russia and the Alliance of Sahel States following the inaugural session in Moscow in April 2025. The discussions focused on expanding cooperation in security, defense, trade, infrastructure, and diplomacy. Now, addressing this meeting, Mr. Lavrov said that Moscow remained committed to strengthening Russia's partnership with the Alliance of Sahel States.
We expect that cooperation between Russia and the Alliance of Sahel States will provide an additional boost to strengthening the sovereignty of our states and to expanding our bilateral relations, as well as relations in a multilateral format. In October, the third Russia-Africa Summit will be held in Moscow, and President Putin has wished our meeting every success and instructed me to tell you that he would be delighted to see the presidents of Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger at the summit.
And the meeting comes as the three military-led governments continue to battle persistent jihadist insurgencies. That's whilst deepening ties with Russia after distancing themselves from France and other traditional Western partners. The three countries have been ruled by military juntas since coups, that's between 2020 and 2023, and have increasingly turned to Moscow for political and military support. The talks also coincided with the second anniversary of the Alliance of Sahel States, underscoring Russia's efforts to strengthen its influence in a region undergoing significant geopolitical change.
Despite a complex international context and the clearly stated determination of certain foreign powers intent on undermining the momentum towards sovereignty and independence of the states of the Sahel Confederation through sponsored terrorist attacks and economic, financial and informational terrorism, the AES is moving forward.
And before traveling to Niger, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov also visited Ethiopia, where he held talks with Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and Foreign Minister Gedeon Timotheus. The visit reflected Russia's broader push to deepen its engagement across Africa, building on cooperation with countries across the continent in areas including in nuclear energy, oil and gas, infrastructure, and the media. Well, earlier I spoke to Professor Nina Villen, who's director of the Africa program at the Egmont Institute for International Relations in Brussels. I began by asking her for more on what this latest meeting between Russia and the Alliance of Sahel States reveals about the direction of Moscow's engagement in the region.
It definitely signals that it's there to stay, that in spite of what we're seeing across the region today with this past weekend, we saw again coordinated attacks in Mali, which we also saw in April earlier this year. Questions were raised about the usefulness and the efficiency of the Russian troops that are taking part of the Africa Corps, which is stationed in Mali since 2021, end of 2021, previously the Wagner Group. So, of course, it's coming to a very difficult time in the period of the relations between the alliance and Russia, and this signals that this is something where they want to maintain relations in spite of the current context.
I mean, this might be speculative, but what sort of questions do you think the African ministers in that meeting would be asking Russia? What sort of support do you think they need to tackle the evolving security situation in the region?
Well, I think that the first tenet of the relationship between Russia and the AES states is regime maintenance. I think this is something that also needs to be kept in mind, that the military regimes that are in power in these three states are there to stay, and Russia is there to make sure that they do. So I think this is the first part of that relationship. And then the second part is, of course, this counter-terrorism support, especially then to Mali. We have not seen the similar, where there are very few troops on the ground in Niger and in Burkina Faso, so it's not comparable to what we're seeing in Mali. But the questions I think that they would ask is how can you help us to maintain power in this situation, which is increasingly difficult given the current security context, which is deteriorating as we speak in all three states, but in particular in Mali and in Burkina Faso. We've seen more broadly, let's say, that what Russia has been doing now in this tour is also make a new joint statement with the African Union that they will reinforce the collaboration. One of the aspects was also that they would try to vote in accordance with the three African non-elected states that are on the UN Security Council. So we can see that it's really one of the part of this Russian strategy to increase its presence and influence on the African continent more broadly.
So now that we have a sense of sort of Russia's approach to this partnership with the three countries in the Alliance of Sahel States, but more broadly with the continent, how different would you say Russia's approach is to the African continent as compared to other traditional allies?
We're seeing that France is really trying to increase their presence in the Anglophone countries rather than in the French-speaking part of West Africa, and they're doing that more broadly.
Elsewhere now, the Deputy Prosecutor of the International Criminal Court has told the BBC that investigators have found what she described as concrete evidence of crimes against humanity in Sudan's Darfur region during the country's civil war. Nazat Shamim Khan said the ICC had gathered evidence linking specific leaders to attacks on civilians during the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces offensive in and around El Fasher last year. The RSF has consistently denied committing atrocities in Darfur. Ms. Khan spoke to the BBC from neighboring Chad, where she has been interviewing Sudanese refugees who fled the violence. The BBC's Africa correspondent Thomas Mukhwana began by asking her for an update on the ICC's investigation.
Well, at the outset, we indicated that we saw that in this conflict, in the context of Al Junaina and Al Fasher, we considered that war crimes and crimes against humanity had been committed. And in the ongoing investigations that we are conducting, we are sure that that is exactly what is happening. We are, as I've said, in a position where our deliberate investigative strategy has reached a position of a breakthrough, which means that we have now found concrete evidence that links what is happening on the ground through linkage evidence to specific persons in leadership mode. But we cannot say any more than that. We certainly cannot say how quickly or how long it's going to take. But we can say that progress has been significant and that we have achieved a breakthrough.
The ICC has been through this before. Omar al-Bashir has never been brought to justice years after what happened in Darfur. Why should this be any different?
Well, I think that there is now a greater focus on the way that we gather evidence. I think that we have got better at using technology in innovative ways to gather evidence. I think we've done very well in building cooperation with states, not just in the region, but everywhere, helping us to gather evidence. I think we have been able to work very hard in overcoming challenges to gather evidence and to build cases. Having said that, the execution of arrest warrants is entirely dependent on state action. You have heard many times we do not have a police force, we do not have an army. So the surrender of suspects to the ICC always depends on state action and state willingness. In addition to those suspects, we have a very active and a very capable tracking unit which tracks where suspects are. And we know where these suspects are in the context of the old arrest warrants, including Mr. Bashir. And we have on many occasions said at the Security Council that we asked Sudan to surrender these suspects to us. And I don't think that there is any doubt in anyone's mind about our wish to have them in the court.
What's your message to the people of Sudan?
Well, I would say this, that when Ali Kushayb was convicted last year, there was an immense relief that was experienced by victims who said it's taken time, we have waited a long time for this, but this is a moment where we consider this to be a victory for the Darfuri people.
Well, thanks for staying with us. You're watching Focus on Africa. Still to come on the program. From Kinshasa to the Paris Fashion Week, we meet the Congolese fashion brand taking the country's distinctive style to a global audience.
Kashangwaho Radio Rugeitanganda omu myaka na mshazo mu buhereza
sho ngolo nonoza chi dali nganalyoka ne kusanga anti ntuse yo abana bembalala mwe namwe na bitundu ebiriranyo a final representing abiri mutano tugenda kubera kacheka mukini hero antera HUUTA obunuzi yaman muje tunyumirwe nga abiri mutano tosubo kuyingira kugenda kubera munusu mutwalo cheche ngankupima nani bazali kampwanchi ya tugenda kuba tujaguze myaka abiri musanvu anti TV West Radio West we are there a final representing Kacheka Stadium ntuse showtime
ntuzaka bane bihembo wiguga oteberwa no kugashura zarushaju reka tanga misebe hama Radio West wakuretera chine hero HUUTA obunuzi ebirebe na bitano byo kwa mushanju mwakongo omucishayi kacheka obo turi kwa muri kiremya kabiri na mushanju y'ubuhereza omurundo gwentuzaka bateri gumite manyari tukuretera beshongoza mani omwihanga ebyane bikwenda nyugunyo ba DJ abakabi abaraptero muziki ebyane bakakwetogota weno kabayanga ntuzaka bane bihembo wiguga oteberwa no kugashura zarushaju reka tanga misebe hama ijo erebere nakawe ay bambe isha kuri byafayo utahamu ushinje mutwaro kumubwuka kuti ogwa Uganda manya Radio West ni radio kashangwaho radio Rugeita Nganda omu myaka namushaje mu buhereza Radio West kamapure echini hiro huta bunuzi chajirwa Pepsi na nyekejo people sako dance for them.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Yechiniro huta bunuzi twagaruka nemizano yo mukago ijore y'abana ba Radio West na TV West turi kuchanga kabira nkaba star biri kwina mkaga byo kwa mushajo mwakogo ijabu izibwera chai orebe Radio West erukuritana na bwizibwera fama sako omupira gwino Dixon wa Radio West na gutumura n'ugwachiwa Ivan historical kabaka gwebwa Robert Mugabe general manager wa bwizibwera fama sako bagaruka bagumibaho patano mupira ya gutumura imambe biri kwina mushajo byo kwa mushajo Radio West ne kwatana na Ruhira Millennium Sako Limited ahari Chamata Playground omuri ntungamo otaferwa biri kwina byo kwa mushanjo abisinyira mutaferwa Radio West ne jakubana eritana naba bodaboda abakashumba achai cha Chienje Primary School omuri Bukanga North na Julius Muhimbise Emvumuro ijosha merwa n'abahereza bawubona ba Radio West turi kwete bakanisa kinihiro huta bunuzi ebirabira na bitano byo kwa mushanjo omucishayi kacheka Bahajirwe Nyakaje People Sako Limited Shehan Logistics Limited Hamwena Pepsi.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how you chase that gray away. You're a hot air balloon that can go to space with the air like you don't care, baby, by the way.
Sande oyiwe nokunda kora ki
nimbaza kubandi umuka ndebe filmu yange
nokunda kureba filmu za kikaki
zone mwene zikunkiro buno eziza kare zikoreke sikuzabwine bwine izintaro abantu bakabona nizo Nigeria ninyegamu nicyo cyasinge no kunyoreka ngo stand zine mani abakwa nitya kureba billion za club za Nigeria bikoreka ngo the end of the day nufa kubigwa ari kuteka bintu ibi nizikoreka family kubo kwasa kutebenkanisa family yawe mwene ko muzuni nyowe umukazi wanjye nampereza ubuzuri zitinka muteraga n'uruyi I never nimbasa kubanyine byamukoze
umuterere ryaro
no nibo kubanyine byinkumukora ebitari birunje umukwa there's no perfect people konka nkange kintu cyo musiza ari kutera umukazi
iyo mwago kagwanga
wasaka nkuzire nyine myaka nkaga n'eshatu nizo mu nkaga nenda konkato kubasa kungira ngo wakererwa kuteka cyayi nguze kuguma ninkwata ka stove kanje ninkatera mu muriro ninteka cyayi ningira nintamba
Radio West wakuretera kinihiro huta bunuzi
Yo, what up, it's your boy Truth 256 representing to the fullest, and guess what? Ndiye hakuba manyisa mwena himuri ngwebira 25 byo kwa mshanju tsakuba turahamwe kacheka stadium omchini hero HUUTA OBUNUZI Radio Western celebrating emyaka 2 mshanju. Please show up and show off. See you there.
Mushanju mwakogo omuchishaika cheka obo turi kwamurikira myaka 2 mushanju y'umuhereza omurundo gwetu sakabateri gumite manyari tukuretira beshongoza amani omwihanga
You knew the love I have for you, for real and ache for you. I would die for you, cross the river for you, just to be with you. Fell in love with your eyes, fell in love with your lips, fell in love with your heart, I fell in love with your hips, fell in love with your voice, fell in love with your looks. Yes, baby, come give me some tips. You deserve a good life, you deserve good trips. Maldives, Mombasa to deep sea, sana fries, beto sana kugaya chips. Bukuba bulava, you're the one I wanna see. Yes, baby, yes, baby. Kuba, you amuse me. Yes. Kutuba tukube tumale yunga esikoba masanyu no teri kulumamba chowulira joli nange bwenti bwemba tonsubira no kukuba kuchunga I'm not that type manya siyinza situkiride era nyinzo kunyiza na embichu kijabo yes baby you amuse me. Yes.
Carry you with me, baby. You're no heaven. Come with me, baby. Even under
Shemeza, nikukunda mbwenu today forever. My baby weza, ukanshemeza, nikukunda mbwenu to done forever. Okuba,
Orinka music.
Yes baby,
Okuba, you amuse me.
Yes. Yes, baby.
Sambyako kiragwe n'omusalawo sirunze katwa sibalone kubyangu oluzibu baby nakebeddemu kugwe waliwo kitateredde kati eddagala ndizudde ndagakafa wasibukazi oyagwe wesirikire gamba nti kako kako ebisigadde wesirikire ndagakafa wasibukazi oyagwe wesirikire gamba nti kako kako wesirikire dankukimanani batalika mpwanchi abalala banjawe simawulire Fitanela vokitio Muliempe ke girafu nempiso Instidi ya mutangiranze Baby Pankupasaganye Mentally Inkupasaganye Emotionally Pankupasaganye Physically Oliwa kumanyanza Ndangakafa wasibukazi Oya wewe sibikire Kamba Kikako pakuwe visikase Ndangakafa wasibukazi Oya wewe sibikire Kamba Kikako pakuwe sibikire Sandiako Kira kwenu salawo Sirunze katwa Sibalone kubyangu Sefu Baby nakebedemu Makugwe waliwe chitatereke Kateta galandi sude Fitanela vokitio Muliepeke girafu nempiso Instidi ya mutangiranze Baby Pankupasaganye Mentally Pankupasaganye Emotionally Pankupasaganye Physically Oliwa kumanyanza Ndangakafa wasibukazi Oya wewe sibikire Kamba Kikako pakuwe visikate Ndangakafa wasibukazi Oya wewe sibikire Kamba Kikako pakuwe sibikire Another feeling.
Vare na kutera kasimu kanje Iwe munyanyasi Umshija kamberiro mshija naka Mkore chiteba nalema Ishuka kamuhewa basire bawe Nibo basire banje Kahate chakumonye homo mishanaka Kakuteweze nimbana endera
Sha Novia Aumure Muramuni mumanyano mshija kanyeni manyane nakuye Novia Autuze Ogo mshija nichengaro mshija kanyeni manyane nakuye
Urisa go mshija kanye Nkwatirwe mbabazi nanye Omukura kaneta ngomupakasa Tuire ndio mupakasi Nemwenu ninjichinga tajirimu Nyewewe yanema
Ogo mkuru nachira kupakasa Nandango kabaji Akasente na minogo Ebyo tokubimanya Nasiba narabana mnatutuka Nandango kabaji Muno basano kujichinga tajirimu